Let the competition begin. Well, I hope we'll be a witness to a meeting full of marvellous moments. As follows: Yara Campbell, Jason Doyle, Nicky Pedersen, and close to the safety fence, Andreas Jonsson. The tapes rise. Elbow to elbow. Nicky Pedersen overtakes. First, Jason Doyle has let himself be cheated by his rivals. A dangerous situation. First, Andreas Jonsson. Yara Campbell, last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Andreas Jonsson. Yara Campbell, Nicky Pedersen is overtaken. What a thrilling moment. Nicky Pedersen overtakes. Yara Campbell is way behind his rivals. Entering the crucial last bend. Andreas Jonsson is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. As follows: Thomas H. Jonsson, Andreas Jonsson, Niels Christian Iversen, and close to the safety fence, wild card. Tapes go up. Elbow to elbow. Thomas H. Jonsson is disqualified. Niels Christian Iversen comes in front. It could end up badly. The wild card takes the lead. Wild card is overtaken. First, Andreas Jonsson. Niels Christian Iversen bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Andreas Jonsson, close on his tail, wild card. Niels Christian Iversen bringing up the rear. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Andreas Jonsson. Entering the crucial last bend. Andreas Jonsson wheelies over the finish line. We're just about to start the third round of heats. As follows: Andreas Jonsson, Chris Holder, Michael Jepsen Jensen, and close to the safety fence, Greg Hancock. Start. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. It could end up badly. First, Michael Jepsen Jensen. Greg Hancock, last. It could end up badly. Chris Holder is overtaken. First, Andreas Hancock drops into last place. Greg Hancock bringing up the rear, elbow to elbow. Andreas Jonsson touches the air fence. First, Andreas Jonsson right behind Chris Holder. Michael Jepsen Jensen cheated his opponents. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Andreas Jonsson. Entering the crucial last bend. Andreas Jonsson touches the air fence. Andreas Jonsson, Chris Holder wins. We've got the following lads on the finish line: Chris Holder, Michael Jepsen Jensen, Greg Hancock. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. inner curve as follows. Troy Batchelor, Chris Harris, Andreas Jonsson, and close to the safety fence, Matvey Janowski. Tapes go up. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Chris Harris cheating his opponents. First, Andreas Jonsson. Matvey Janowski bringing up the rear. Chris Harris cheating his opponents. Troy Batchelor last. Matvey Janowski cheating his opponents. First, Andreas Jonsson. Troy Batchelor last. What a thrilling moment. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Andreas Jonsson in the lead from the gate. Entering the last bend. Andreas Jonsson is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Red, Christoph Kasperzak. Blue helmet, Andreas Jonsson. White, Ty Woffenden. Yellow, Matti Zegar. Tapes go up. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. It could end up badly. First, Ty Woffenden overtakes. Matti Zegar last. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. It could end up badly. Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson takes the lead. Elbow to elbow. First, Andreas Jonsson. Matti Zegar overtakes. Ty Woffenden bringing up the rear. The situation changes instantly. Ty Woffenden overtakes. First, Andreas Jonsson. Entering the last bend. Andreas Jonsson is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. Next series of heats lie ahead of us. From the inner curve as follows. Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson, Nicky Pedersen, and close to the safety fence, Ty Woffenden. The tapes rise. A dangerous situation. A fall. Matti Zegar takes the lead. From the inner curve as follows. Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson, Ty Woffenden. The tapes rise. It could end up badly. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. Matti Zegar takes the lead. First, Matti Zegar. A dangerous situation. Andreas Jonsson drops into last place. It could end up badly. Matti Zegar drops into last place. First, Ty Woffenden. It could end up badly. Ty Woffenden takes the lead. Elbow to elbow. First, Andreas Jonsson. Close on his tail, Ty Woffenden. What a thrilling moment. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Andreas Jonsson. Entering the crucial last bend. Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson is in a class of his own. What a wonderful slice of action. In this heat, everything is at stake. The places on the podium are about to be decided. From the inner curve as follows: Greg Hancock, Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson, and close to the safety fence, Jarek Hampel. Go! It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. Jarek Hampel takes the lead. First, Jarek Hampel. Matti Zegar, last, elbow to elbow. Situation. Jarek Hampel has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Matti Zegar bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Andreas Jonsson, right behind Jarek Hampel. Andreas Jonsson touches the air fence. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Matti Zegar is still in 4th place. Jarek Hampel comes in front, entering the last bend. Andreas Jonsson wins! A race to forget. Andreas Jonsson wins today's round. Places on the podium for Jarek Hampel and Greg Hancock, 2.